Welcome back to our channel, where we're committed to exploring sustainable living practices. In this segment, we'll focus on our homes and how we can transform them into hubs of sustainability through conscious choices. By embracing eco-friendly practices such as using energy-efficient appliances, conserving water, reducing waste, and embracing organic gardening, we can create an eco-friendly living space that not only benefits the planet, but also promotes our own well-being. Join us as we dive into practical tips and innovative ideas to make your home a haven of sustainability. Energy-efficient appliances. One of the first steps towards creating a sustainable home is to invest in energy-efficient appliances. These appliances consume less energy, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money on utility bills. Look for appliances with an ENERGY-STAR rating, which indicates that they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. Consider upgrading your refrigerator, dishwasher, washing machine, and other major appliances to more energy-efficient models. Additionally, make a habit of unplugging electronics when not in use and utilizing power strips to easily turn off multiple devices at once. Water conservation. Water is a precious resource, and conserving it is crucial for sustainable living. Start by checking for and fixing any leaks in your faucets, toilets, and pipes to prevent unnecessary water wastage. Install low-flow shower heads and faucets to reduce water usage during showers and daily activities. Consider collecting rainwater in barrels to use for watering plants or cleaning purposes. Embrace practices such as turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, taking shorter showers, and running full loads in the dishwasher and washing machine to maximize water efficiency. Waste reduction. Reducing waste is an essential aspect of sustainable living. Embrace the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce waste by being mindful of your consumption habits. Opt for products with minimal packaging. Choose durable and long-lasting items, and avoid single-use plastics whenever possible. Reuse items instead of throwing them away. Get creative with repurposing or upcycling projects, just like we discussed in our previous segment. Recycle materials that are accepted in your local recycling program. Composting is another excellent way to reduce waste while creating nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Organic gardening. Transforming your outdoor space into an organic garden is a fantastic way to connect with nature and promote sustainable living. Avoid using synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers that can harm the environment and potentially affect your health. Instead, focus on natural and organic alternatives. Practice companion planting to create a balanced ecosystem that naturally repels pests and encourages beneficial insects. Compost kitchen scraps to create homemade organic fertilizer. Choose heirloom seeds and native plants that are well suited to your local climate and require fewer resources to thrive. Energy-efficient lighting. Lighting plays a significant role in our home's energy consumption. Replace traditional incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient options such as LED or CFL bulbs. These bulbs use significantly less energy and last much longer. Make it a habit to turn off lights when not in use and utilize natural light whenever possible. Consider installing motion sensor lights in outdoor areas to minimize energy usage. By implementing sustainable practices in our homes, we can create a positive impact on the environment while enjoying a healthier and more efficient living space. From using energy-efficient appliances and conserving water to reducing waste and embracing organic gardening, there are countless ways to make our homes more sustainable. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Let's continue our journey towards a greener future by adopting these eco-friendly practices. Join us in our next segment, where we'll explore sustainable fashion and ethical choices. Thank you for watching, and happy sustainable living.